hey.
Careful.
Yeah.
Have it.
Yeah. Hands.
How are we doing? What were we just doing out there?
Scoot away a little bit more, you guys, so Daddy can see you.
What are you guys? Oh my gosh, it's raining.
It's winding. It's blowing.
Holy shoe
So
is now
talk
cold.
to Dad. Talk to Greg about we got. Are you on, Greg?
Yes, I am.
You're on.
Okay. What were you doing?
Laying in the puddle.
Okay, go do it again so we can see you right out here underneath the basketball hoop.
One more time. That's
One more
shower
time, and then it is shower time. Oh my God.
Oh, the storm of Father's Day.
That's
Yeah, the Father's Day.
Bye.
What? We sound like our parents, I know.
Careful, careful. What?
Upstairs in the bathroom is my towel. Can you go?